silence. If I ever forget you, may my tongue cleave to my palate. If I remember you not, if I place not Jerusalem ahead of my joy, let my tongue be silent.